Okay, so I'm now going to create a query using my 3 linked tables. Just a quick reminder, in Database Tools, Relationship, there they are, they're linked. Okay, so let's have a look. We have some loans, there we go. Now, I want to actually find out this information. I want to find out who has loaned out these items and when they are due back on the 2nd of the 7th 2013. So I want to create a report. If this was close to the due date, then maybe you would want to send them a reminder, or maybe if it's after the due date, we might need to contacting them, asking them where our film is. So I'm going to create a query to view that information. So create query design. I add my tables. What also appears is the relationship between them. I prefer them that way around because that seems to make sense to me. Let's see all my fields. Okay. Right, so I'm going to start first of all with the date. We know that we have our films due back on 02/07/2013. Okay, so that's the information I want, but of course to do anything with that, I first of all want to know what item they have due out, and to contact them, I obviously, if I want to contact them by post, then I need this information, so their title, their first name, their last name, their address, so on. If I had email on here, then I could possibly email them. Okay, so there's my simple query. So let's just go and see that. Before I save it, I can see if that's worked. Let's go and have a look. So yes, so it was the 2nd of the 7th 2013. They were renting Troy. That was Mr. Chris Roscoe. So I could phone him up and ask him where my film is, or remind him it's sending back. And then the second person was, of course, Miss Andrea Appleby, and she'd taken out the Da Vinci Code, and I could contact her. So I could save that. I would call it 02/07/2013. Oh, just put that in. There we go. Click OK. So you can see how that query works. If those tables weren't linked with the relationship, I wouldn't be able to get that information. I'd have to do several separate searches to find that out. But the beauty of the relationship means that I can find it out all in one query. And obviously this database is very small and it's only a practice database. If this was much larger and I had quite a lot of loans outstanding and possibly included their email address here, it would be quite simple to generate that list on a daily basis.